Point 1. Stay calm under pressure. People often associate calm behavior with confidence and competence. When you avoid reacting emotionally to every situation, others are more likely to trust your judgment. Point 2. Use silence. You don't need to fill every pause. A brief silence after making an important point can make your words feel more meaningful. Point 3. Maintain natural eye contact. Comfortable eye contact signals confidence and attention. Staring can feel uncomfortable, so aim for a natural balance. Point 4. Speak clearly and slowly. Speaking too fast can make you seem nervous. A steady pace gives the impression that you're confident in what you're saying. Point 5. Reliability builds respect over time. Even small commitments matter. Point 6. Listen more than you speak. People appreciate being heard. Asking thoughtful questions and listening carefully often leaves a stronger impression than talking constantly. Point 7. Respect yourself first. Healthy boundaries and self-respect influence how others treat you. Saying no when appropriate is part of that. Ending. Respect isn't earned through fear or pretending to be someone else. It's built through consistent behavior, confidence, and genuine respect for others. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more psychology content.